Here's how to download music from YouTube on iPhone, the safe and legal way in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. First, open the App Store and install the YouTube Music app. This is the official way to download music from YouTube on iPhone. Open YouTube Music and sign in with your Google account. Make sure it's the same account you use on YouTube. To download music for offline listening, you need YouTube Music Premium. Tap your profile picture, go to paid memberships, and start the free trial or subscription. Now search for any song, album, or playlist. Tap the download arrow next to it. The music will be saved directly to your iPhone for offline listening. Downloaded music only works inside the YouTube Music app and can't be exported. This keeps everything legal and safe. And that's it. That's the correct way to download music from YouTube on iPhone in 2026. Subscribe for more simple YouTube tutorials.